Hi! In today's video, we'll be covering the inventory management option and listing features of Sellery. Apart from being used as a repricer for your items, Sellery can also act as an inventory management tool for your merchant-fulfilled listings. Please note, FBA items need to always be managed via Seller Central or another third-party tool. It's up to you to decide whether you want to stick to Amazon Seller Central or to Sellery for managing your inventory, but it's good to know which options are available and how they work in order to manage items in an efficient way. Let's see how Sellery behaves when this option is disabled. The inventory management option is found in Settings, General, Inventory. To disable Sellery's inventory management, check the box. When checked, Sellery will not add or remove any listing or adjust quantity for any items. All listing and quantity management will need to be done through Seller Central or other inventory management applications. Changes made to your inventory will then be imported into Sellery every 4 to 6 hours. Upon checking the box, you'll see this warning. If you select Yes, you will always see this reminder displayed at the top pages of your Sellery account. Now that we know that we can disable the option and keep Amazon as our main inventory management tool, let's take a look at how Sellery and Amazon interact when this option is enabled. Keep in mind that by default, Sellery will have this setting turned on and will manage your merchant-fulfilled inventory. If you've disabled inventory management and later change your mind, when you go back to Settings, General, to uncheck the box, you should also know that along with re-enabling the inventory management option, Sellery will instantly disable uploads to all accounts in the system. You will see this warning. As a preventive measure, Sellery will disable your uploads when you select Yes to proceed. The idea behind this is to protect your items by avoiding out-of-date information being sent to Amazon without first giving you the chance of assessing the data. First, verify your quantities and prices, and if they are correct, then navigate to Settings, Accounts, and re-enable the Manage My Listings slider on all accounts. Remember to save. One thing to keep in mind is that when the inventory management option is enabled, you should not make changes to listings or quantity on Amazon, as Sellery will overwrite the data on its next upload. You should only ever use Sellery or Amazon for inventory management and never mix the two. In the beginning of this video, I also mentioned that Sellery can be used for listing merchant-fulfilled items. To add new items to your Amazon account with Sellery, prepare an Excel file with the following columns: Cost, Quantity, Condition, SKU, and Product ID, ASIN, EAN, or ISBN. Keep in mind that you can upload only MFN items in Sellery. The Excel file should look like this. Then upload the file into Sellery under Settings, Uploads. This option is for items that are new to your inventory but that already exist on Amazon. To make sure the listing process is complete, map the items to a pricing rule in the pricing overview found under Settings. Don't forget to check that Sellery is turned on under Settings, Accounts, and that the inventory management option is enabled. If you're interested in adding new FBA items, you'll need to do it via Amazon Seller Central or another third-party application. After sending the shipment to Amazon, Sellery will import the new FBA listings and begin repricing them. Apart from being able to list items via a file upload, Sellery has an inbuilt section whereby you can scan and add merchant-fulfilled items to your inventory. I'm talking about the receiving page found in the left upper corner of Sellery. To add a new merchant-fulfilled item, populate the ASIN, EAN, ISBN, or UPC field, Condition, Quantity, SKU, and Cost fields. You can define other item attributes here as well, or even custom fields that you have created at the time of the scan. I will explain more on that in a video describing specifically the receiving section. For now, I only want you to become familiar with the concept and keep in mind that this is a valid listing option too. Use a barcode scanner or type or copy and paste the product ID to the first field to begin adding items to your inventory. Please note that the competition and bibliographic data are only provided for existing products in the catalog of the Amazon venues you have added to Sellery. If a product you scan is only available on Amazon Japan and you have an account on Amazon USA, no results will be returned. Like I mentioned earlier, Amazon fulfilled items need to be added via Seller Central. When added, Sellery imports and sorts them into the appropriate smart lists and prices them according to your pricing overview settings. The new prices are then uploaded back to Amazon. One last thing before we conclude this video, when scanning your items, keep in mind that the catalog pages for those item types needs to already be created on Amazon. If they're not, you will need to create them via Amazon. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, the SellerEngine team is happy to help you. Just send us a message in intercom or contact us at sellery@sellerengine.com. Thank you for watching.